Chapter 3 Metals and Nonmetals. Key points and concepts. Element can be classified as metals and nonmetals. Electronic configuration of some metals and nonmetals. Type of element, atomic number, number of electron in cells, KLMN cells. Noble gases, helium, atomic number 2, neon, atomic number 10, argons, atomic number 18, metals, sodium, atomic number 11, magnesium, atomic number 12, aluminum, atomic number 13, potassium, atomic number 19, calcium, atomic number 20. Non-metals, nitrogen, atomic number 7, oxygen, atomic number 8, fluorine, atomic number 9, phosphorus, atomic number 15, sulfur, atomic number 16, क्लोरीन एटॉमिक नंबर 17. के सेल में मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एल सेल में मैक्सिमम 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एम सेल में मैक्सिमम 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एन सेल में मैक्सिमम 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आयनिक कंपाउंड्स. Ionic compounds are solid and are somewhat hard because of the strong force of attraction between the positive and negative ions. These compounds are generally brittle and break into pieces when pressure is applied. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. Electrovalent compounds are generally soluble in waters and insoluble in organic solvent such as kerosene and petrol ECT. Ionic compound conduct electricity in the molten state. Activity series: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold. Most reactive, reactivity decreases down the activity series. Least reactivity. Chemical properties of metals. Condition, chemical equation. Metals are burned in air. Metal plus oxygen 2 gives metal oxide. Example 1. 2 mole copper plus O2 2 gives 2 mole copper oxide. Example 2. 4 mole aluminum plus 3 mole O2 2 gives 2 mole aluminum oxide. Metals react with water. Metal plus water 2 gives metal oxide plus hydrogen. Metal oxide plus water 2 gives metal hydroxide. Example 1. 2 mole potassium plus 2 mole water 2 gives 2 mole potassium hydroxide plus H2 plus heat energy. Example 2. 2 mole sodium plus 2 mole water 2 gives 2 mole sodium hydroxide plus H2 plus heat energy. Example 3. Calcium plus 2 mole waters 2 gives calcium hydroxide plus H2. Example 4. 2 mole aluminum plus 3 mole waters 2 gives aluminum oxide plus 3 mole H2. 3 mole Fe plus 4 mole H2O 2 gives Fe3O4 plus 4 mole H2. Example 5. K2O plus H2O 2 gives 2 mole potassium hydroxide. Metals react with acids. Metal plus dilute acid 2 gives salt plus hydrogen. Copper plus 2 mole HCl 2 gives CuCl2 plus H2. Metals react with solutions of other metal salt. Metal A plus salt solution of B 2 gives salt solution of A plus metal B. Fe plus CuSO4 plus 2 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Chemical properties of nonmetals. Point A. Reaction with oxygen. Nonmetals forms acetic oxide. Carbon plus O2 2 gives carbon dioxide. Point B. Reaction with waters. Nonmetals do not react with waters because they do not release any electrons. Point C. Reaction with dilute acids. No reaction. Point D. Reaction with salt solution. A more reactive nonmetals will displace less reactive nonmetal from its salt solution. Point E. Reaction with chlorine. Non-metals react with chlorine to form chloride H2 plus Cl2 to gives 2 mole HCl. Point F. Reaction with hydrogen. Non-metals react with hydrogen to forms hydride H2S H2 plus S to gives H2S. Reaction between metals and non-metals. Reactivity of element is the tendency to attain a completely filled valence shell. Atoms of metals can lose electrons from valence shell to form cations, while atoms of non-metals can gain electrons in valence shell to form anions. Opposite charge ions attract each other and held by strong electrostatic force of attraction, forming ionic compounds. Formations of sodium chloride. Na lose electrons, Na plus 1 electron lose. Sodium cations to form sodium cations. Chlorine gain 1 electrons to form chlorine ions. Chloride ion. Sodium 1 electron lose, chlorine 1 electron gain. Convert into sodium cations, chlorine anions या NaCl. Formations of magnesium chloride. Magnesium 2 electron lose, convert magnesium cations, chlorine 1 electron gain, convert chloride anion. Magnesium plus 2 mole chlorine react to gives magnesium plus 2 cation, chlorine minus 2 anion या MgCl2. Extraction of metal. Scenario example. Low in the activity series. 2HgS plus sulfur dioxide react with in the presence of heat to gives 2 mole HgO plus 2 mole SO2. 2 mole HgS in the presence of heat to gives 2 mole Hg plus 2 mole S. 2 mole Cu2S plus 3 mole O2 in the presence of heat to gives 2 mole Cu2S Cu2O plus 2 mole SO2. 2 mole Cu2O plus Cu2S in the presence of heat to gives 6 Cu plus SO2. Middle in the activity series. Roasting. 2 mole zinc sulfide plus 3 mole O2 in the react with in the presence of heat to gives 2 mole zinc oxide plus 2 mole sulfur dioxide. Calcination. Zinc carbonate in the presence of heat to gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Top in the activity series. During electrolysis at cathode, sodium gain 1 electrons, convert into Na. At anode, chlorine lose 1 electron, convert Cl2 plus 2 electrons. Corrosion. It is the deterioration of metals as a result of chemical reaction between it and surrounding environment. Silver react with sulfur in air to form silver sulfide and article become black. Copper react with moist carbon dioxide in air and forms green coat of copper carbonate. Iron acquires a coating of brown flaky substance called rust. Rust is hydrated iron oxide, that is Fe2O3 H2O. Prevention of corrosion by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanization and by making alloy. Galvanization. It is the process of coating of iron articles with zinc. The oxide thus formed in impervious to air and moisture, thus protect further layer from getting corroded. Alloy. These are homogeneous mixture of metals with metals and non-metals, that is stainless steel, brass, bronze and solder. Amalgam. If one of the metals in alloy is mercury, then the alloy is known as amalgam. Important diagram. Electron dot structure: sodium, oxygen, chlorine, magnesium. Activity series and related metallurgy: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, Fe, lead, copper, silver, gold. Electrolysis: reduction using carbon, found in native state. Extraction of metal from ore. Ore, concentration of ore, 3 forms: metal of high reactivity, metal of medium reactivity, metal of low reactivity. Metal of high reactivity: electrolysis of molten ore, pure metal. Metal of medium reactivity: कार्बोनेट और सल्फाइड और. कार्बोनेट और का कैल्सिनेशन, सल्फाइड और रोस्टिंग. ऑक्साइड ऑफ मेटल्स, रिडक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स, प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ मेटल्स. मेटल्स ऑफ लो रिएक्टिविटी: सल्फाइड और रोस्टिंग, मेटल रिफाइनिंग.